Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So I still believe that this first push down is a wave A, possibly a wave 1. I think this is 3 waves up for a wave B or possibly a wave 2. And I think this is now in a downtrend, which I still think is going to go down and make a wave C like this, or maybe even a wave 3. I think it's more likely a wave C, but I also don't really think it's that important to know the difference at this stage in the pattern. Going down to the weekly time frame, I actually still think this first push down right here is a wave 1. I still think this push up is a wave 2. We are at the 61%, so we have to keep a close eye. This could possibly be ending a wave 2, maybe even this week, because we do have some pretty important dollar news, and possibly even going down for a big old wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this 5 ways down is a wave 1. This is a very, very overlapping pattern to me, which I think is clearly a wave 2. We are at the 61.8. If this makes an engulfing move to the downside, I would say the wave 2 is over, and I would say that we are going down for the big wave 3. I don't really see any evidence that the wave 2 is actually over, so I would primarily be still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, since this last end of a Kretzen right here, but first of all, let's zoom out a little bit, because I kind of feel like this is a pretty good chance that this right here is an overlapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be an ending diagonal wave C. If that is an ending diagonal wave C, then maybe it will make one more attempt up, but I think the trend could possibly turn down this week. We do have CPI for the dollar this week, so it could actually end the wave 2 and start a big wave 3 to the downside. So going to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, one of the important things to see is that we don't have a breaker structure to the downside. So there's really no evidence that this is actually over. I think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to drift up. Maybe this move up is going to be an ABC Kretzen though, so maybe this is actually going to be setting itself up for a short later on this week. And if this really is an ending diagonal, wave 5, which is a wave 5 of C on the higher time frames, then this may even be a 1, a 2, and it may just keep on going down for a wave 3. So at least for now, especially because we don't have a breaker structure to the downside or any evidence on the higher time frames that this trend is over, for now I'm definitely still looking for longs, but I am definitely keeping in mind that this could end the correction and continue the downtrend really at any time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.